Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you what does it mean when it says Instagram user. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that I need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Instagram, click the create option, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. When you see Instagram user displayed instead of a specific username or profile name, it typically means one of the several things, all right? Number one is that the user might have set their account to private. In this case, only their approved followers can see their posts and profile information, like others will see Instagram users instead of their actual username. But how does it look? Okay, so now if you see something like this one, all right, the user may have deactivated their Instagram account. When an account is deactivated, their profile and posts become inaccessible to others, and Instagram users may appear in place of their username. This is regarding about the chat, but in case of the user changes their username, there might be a delay in updating the display name across all parts of the Instagram. And again, during this transition period, you might see Instagram user until the system updates with the username. In some cases, if there are restrictions or issues with the account, such as violations of Instagram terms of service, Instagram might temporarily hide the username and display Instagram user instead. But of course, there are high chances of the person blocking you here on the platform. Now, Instagram user typically appears when there are privacy settings, account status changes like deactivation, username changes, or restrictions or blocking you, affecting the visibility of the username. Now, always remember to be respectful regardless of the decision of the Instagram user, because it denotes instances where it cannot display the actual username due to privacy settings, account status changes, and if the person blocked you, you have to respect that he or she has reasons of doing it. And of course, all they're gonna do is wait for it, or you can simply message the friends of friends or mutual friends on why you were blocked, or what's the reason why the Instagram user is appearing instead of their real username. All right, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.